Now, let's move away from that, ladies and gentlemen, and we're talking about Iyabo Ojo, and she has responded to the viral moments between Funke Akindele and Toyin Abraham at the premiere of her film, The Return of Arinzo. Now, a clip showed Toyin greeting Funke, who did not respond, sparking fresh talks about tension between them. Iyabo explained on Instagram that she has tried several times to reconcile the two, even crying and pleading, but the issues keep resurfacing. She said she's now stepping back and will no longer intervene. She added that she loves both actresses and believes they will make peace when they are ready. Iyabo also encouraged fans to support the return of Arinzo, which hits cinemas on April 3rd, 2026.